In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send group emails in Pipedrive. First, let's head over to pipedrive.com. Open your preferred web browser and type the URL in the address bar. Once the site loads, you'll see the option to log in right on the home page. Click on Login, and if prompted, enter your email and password to access your account. Make sure you use the correct credentials, as this will take you to your personalized dashboard. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to go to the pipeline section. This can typically be found in the main navigation area, often referred to as deals. This is where you'll manage your interactions and view the progress of different deals you're handling. It's a great place to get an overview of your current activities. Once you've navigated to the pipeline, you'll want to shift your focus over to your contacts. Look for the Contacts tab, which is usually situated near the top of the page. Your contacts in Pipedrive are key to building strong business relationships and staying organized. In the Contacts section, you'll find an option labeled People. Click on it to view a list of all the people you're currently connected with in Pipedrive. This area displays all the individuals along with their contact details who have a relationship with your business. The next action you'll take is to select all the contacts you wish to send a group email to. You'll notice a select all option, often in the form of a checkbox, making it easier to manage bulk emails instead of selecting each contact individually. This helps streamline the process when dealing with numerous contacts. With your contacts selected, the next step is to click on Send Group Email. This feature allows you to communicate a single message to multiple recipients at once, which is a huge time saver for outreach and follow-ups. Make sure to carefully proceed through the prompts to ensure you're including the correct individuals. Before finalizing your email, it's a wise step to remove contacts without email addresses. This simply ensures that your group email will reach all the intended recipients without returning any errors due to missing contact information. Now move on to choosing a template for your email. Pipedrive offers pre-designed templates that you can use and customize to suit the messaging needs of your group email. Whether you're announcing a new product or simply sending a friendly update, templates can make your job much easier. Take a moment to review the email for accuracy. A brief review is vital to ensure all the information, like the subject, body content, and recipient names, is correctly formatted and free of errors. Finally, when everything looks good, click on Send Messages. That's it, you have now successfully sent a group email